Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Candice. In today's video, what I thought I would do was a quick product review of a few of the products that came in the June Ipsy subscription bag. I'm not like 100% super excited to test them, but I thought I'd give you guys a review because I said I would. So what we're going to review and test is 3 of the products. 2 of them are scented, which is pretty cool. And this one I'm actually pretty excited about. It's the POREFESSIONAL Primer by Benefit. We're gonna actually start with this. It just says it's a smoothing face primer. So I already started by putting lotion on my face and I have clean hands. So we're just gonna go ahead. Oh, I like the color. It's kind of like peachy, or it kind of reminds me of hummus. We're gonna go ahead and blot that around our face. Oh, it feels kind of thick. I like it. It's low, but I don't know what it is, but something about this feels like super hella organic. Alrighty, so the primer has been applied and I thought of something cool while I was rubbing it all over my face. What is a review without putting product on top of a primer, right? So I'm gonna put some on my hand. We're gonna rub it into my pores and then we're gonna apply some foundation on top just so you guys can get the full idea. I'm going to apply it with our finger. We're going to use the Rimmel London Lasting Finish for 25 hours. It does not last 25 hours, by the way, so Rimmel London, you got some fucking explaining to do. You got some real explaining to do, but we're just gonna blot it into our skin and I'm gonna blend it out into the areas of my skin where there's no primer versus where there is primer. Okay, so right over here is where I applied the primer and the foundation is just sitting on top, whereas over here you can see it kind of just faded away and it blended out and it kind of just mixed into my pores. But yeah, you can definitely see it's the foundation sitting on top really nicely. Steps again, I give that a 5-star. The next product that I wanted to review was the Cake Deserted Island Body Mousse, I believe it is, and it is a strawberry flavor. It's friggin' amazing. I love it. Honestly, I just want to use it again and I want you guys to see my reaction because it's friggin' awesome. No more swearing in my videos if I want sponsors. So I'm gonna read you guys what's in the ingredients because oh my god, it's to die for. So they pour in coconut oil, mango butter, aloe vera oil, and macadamia nut oil. Oh my god, I'm allergic to this, but I fucking love it. I'm literally allergic to this. I'm still gonna use it though. I'm deathly allergic to peanut. That's funny. That's really funny. I still fucking love it. I didn't die the last time. Don't think I'm gonna die this time. We're just gonna use it as an all-over body cream right now. Oh my god, it smells amazing! Holy shit, and it feels so smooth. It feels it's oily and non-oily at the same time, which is a really good thing. I don't even know how you would explain that in the proper beauty terms, but fuck. Go out to go get yourself some cake fucking body mousse, which is just a fancy way of saying cake body cream. You know what, let's make this a fun challenge. Let's wait 5 minutes and see if I break out in hives. We'll just double up on the layer 2. Let's see how allergic I am to this macadamia nut oil. I highly even doubt I'm gonna break out in hives. But yeah. We'll just give that some time to sink in into our arms and the hands. And in the meantime, we're going to review the last product, which I was not necessarily excited about whatsoever. However, your girl can always use some chopsticks, so we're not going to fret about this. I can feel a little bit of something happening on my arms, but it doesn't feel bad. It doesn't hurt. There's nothing happening. and it still smells like Jesus Christ. So yeah, but like look how cute this is. It says delicious. Can you guys see that? It's probably backward, but it literally says delicious. That's cute. I can't open this because I suck. There we go. Now, this actually smells even better than the friggin' body mousse, so I'm so excited. Anyways, the strawberry hydrating balm, which is actually smelling so good, and it feels really soothing on the lips. I feel like this would be a good base for like a matte liquid lip. Anyways, it's got your basic sunflower oil, beeswax, cocoa butter, coconut oil, strawberry flavor, and vitamin E, which is very good to help protect against the UV rays of the sun. But that's all for today's video, or this video. Tune in for the next one. That didn't work out very well, but tune in for the next one. I think that I'm going to either post another eye look tutorial using the Violet Voss palette, simple 2-color look, or we're going to do a full face tutorial, or both. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, please. Okay, bye.